Wait, your Apple Watch is stuck on the Apple logo and it is not moving at all. The screen is showing only the Apple logo and nothing else is happening. Buttons are not responding and you are getting really worried right now. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you real, tested, and 100% workable solutions to fix an Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo. These methods are collected and verified from Apple support forums, Reddit threads, professional technicians, and real user experiences. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Quick notice before we start. This video is created with the help of AI, but every solution is fully authentic, practical, and proven to work in real life. If you watch carefully, you will be able to fix your Apple Watch by yourself. If you face any difficulty, write a comment and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start fixing your Apple Watch step by step. First, let us understand why this problem happens. In most cases, the Apple Watch gets stuck on the Apple logo because of a software crash. Sometimes a failed watchOS update causes this issue. Low battery during an update is another very common reason. Corrupted system files can also freeze the boot process. In rare cases, storage being completely full can trigger this problem. Hardware damage is possible, but happens less often than software issues. Now we move to the solutions. The first and easiest fix is a forced restart. This works in many cases and is officially recommended by Apple. To do a forced restart, press and hold the side button and the digital crown together. Keep holding both buttons for at least 20 seconds. Do not release them when you see the Apple logo again. Release both buttons only when the screen turns completely black and then shows the Apple logo again. This clears temporary system crashes and restarts the watch kernel properly. If the watch boots normally after this, your problem is solved. If it is still stuck on the Apple logo, move to the next solution. The second solution is charging the watch correctly and letting it rest. Many people skip this step, but it works surprisingly well. Connect the Apple Watch to the original Apple charger. Make sure the charger cable and adapter are original or MFI certified. Plug it into a stable power source, not a power bank. Let the watch charge for at least 60 minutes without touching it. Even if the Apple logo stays on the screen, keep charging. A deeply drained battery can take time to recover. After 1 hour, try a forced restart again using the side button and digital crown. If the watch turns on normally, the issue was low power related. If the problem continues, we go deeper. The third solution is checking for overheating and environmental issues. This is often ignored, but very important. If your Apple Watch feels warm or hot, remove it from the charger. Place it in a cool, dry area for at least 30 minutes. Do not put it in a refrigerator or under a fan directly. Extreme temperature can freeze the boot process. After cooling down, connect it to the charger again. Wait 10 minutes and then force restart it. If the Apple logo still does not move, continue to the next fix. The fourth solution is unpairing and restoring using your iPhone. This method works if the watch can still communicate wirelessly. Keep the Apple Watch on the charger. Bring your iPhone close to the watch. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on in the iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Go to My Watch, then go to All Watches. Tap the info icon next to your Apple Watch name. Tap Unpair Apple Watch and confirm. If unpairing starts, let it finish completely. After unpairing, set up the watch again as new or restore from backup. If unpairing does not start or fails, move on. The fifth solution is updating watchOS through the iPhone. This works when the watch is stuck due to a failed update. Open the Watch app on the iPhone. Go to General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it while the watch is charging. Make sure the iPhone has at least 50% battery. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and not switching networks. Let the update finish without interruption. Many users report that this fixes the Apple logo freeze completely. If you cannot access the update screen, do not worry. We still have more options. The sixth solution is factory resetting using recovery mode behavior. Apple Watch does not have a visible recovery mode like iPhone, but this trick works. Keep the Apple Watch on the charger. Press and hold the side button until you see the power off screen or feel haptic feedback. Press and hold the digital crown firmly for about 15 seconds. You may see the option to erase all content and settings. Tap it and confirm. This will completely reset the watch and remove corrupted system files. After reset, set it up again using the iPhone. If you do not see the erase option, continue to the next method. The seventh solution is checking storage overload. This is common on older Apple Watch models. If your watch had very low free storage before freezing, this could be the cause. During setup after reset, choose Setup as New instead of restoring backup. This prevents loading corrupted data again. Many users fixed boot loops simply by avoiding old backups. Now we move to advanced but still safe solutions. The eighth solution is updating the paired iPhone first. Sometimes compatibility issues cause the watch to freeze. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update on the iPhone. Install the latest iOS version. Restart the iPhone after updating. Then try pairing or updating the Apple Watch again. This resolves version mismatch issues. The ninth solution is checking charger and cable faults. A weak charger can trap the watch in a boot loop. Try a different Apple Watch charger. Try a different wall adapter. Avoid using laptop USB ports. Unstable voltage can interrupt booting. Now let us talk about what not to do. Do not open the Apple Watch by yourself. Do not use heat guns or hair dryers. Do not use unofficial flashing tools. These can permanently damage the watch. If none of these solutions worked, there is one final step. The last solution is contacting Apple support or an authorized service center. If the watch is under warranty or Apple Care, repair or replacement may be free. If water damage or hardware failure is detected, professional repair is required. Before going, tell the technician exactly what happened. Mention if the issue started during an update. Mention battery level and charging behavior. Now let me give you some extra pro tips. Always keep at least 2 GB free storage on your Apple Watch. Never update watchOS with low battery. Always use original chargers. Avoid beta updates unless you know the risks. If this video helped you fix your Apple Watch, please like the video. Share it with someone who is facing the same issue. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical tech fixes. If you still face any issue, comment below. I reply within 1 hour, and I will try my best to help you personally. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your tech. Use unofficial flashing tools. These can permanently damage the watch. If none of these solutions worked, there is one final step. The last solution is contacting Apple support or an authorized service center. If the watch is under warranty or Apple Care, repair or replacement may be free. If water damage or hardware failure is detected, professional repair is required. Before going, tell the technician exactly what happened. Mention if the issue started during an update. Mention battery level and charging behavior. Now let me give you some extra pro tips. Always keep at least 2 GB free storage on your Apple Watch. Never update watchOS with low battery. Always use original chargers. Avoid beta updates unless you know the risks. If this video helped you fix your Apple Watch, please like the video. Share it with someone who is facing the same issue. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical tech fixes. If you still face any issue, comment below. I reply within 1 hour, and I will try my best to help you personally. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your tech.